Hi, this is Chris from Total Parts Plus, and today we have a 2004 Mazda 6 Luxury Sports Hatch, stock reference number 5407. This shape runs from the 9th month 2002 through to the 7th month 2005. It has an L3 2.3 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine backed by an automatic front-wheel drive transmission. L3 2.3 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine. We have the right-hand headlight, need the polish. Left front 17-inch factory alloy mag with an average tyre. Left power door mirror. Left front door has 2 small dents. Left rear door has 7 small dents. Left hand side skirt. Left rear 17-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. Left hand tail light. Left tailgate garnish. Tidy rear bumper cover. Tailgate appears to have no damage. Right hand tailgate garnish. Right hand tail light. Right rear 17-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. Right side skirt. Right rear door has 3 small dents. Right front door has 1 large dent. Right power door mirror and a right front 17-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. We have the driver's side door trim, power window master switch. This vehicle is fitted with black leather interior, automatic type console, automatic gear shifter, heater control, 6-stack CD player, interior mirror, courtesy lamp, left hand sun visor, right hand sun visor, instrument cluster, and a tidy 3-spoke leather steering wheel with cruise and audio buttons.